Okay, so I have Adobe Illustrator open and I'm going to open up the template that you guys should have also. And so if I go to open here, you should have a template folder, and I am going to open up the M11 template AI. Open that guy. Right, and basically I'm doing Control Alt 0. Let's just zoom. Let's go ahead and pull this guy in. So this has been set up to have the same format as a Rhino file, which is great. And then there's a couple of things, or one thing you for sure want to do before we open up the export file that we made and copy and paste it in here. If you go to your layers, right, and click on this little sort of options over here, what you want to make sure is that paste remembers layers is checked. It's super important. If you don't do that, it won't bring it in by layer, it'll bring it in by curve, and that's just whew, lots of fun. So go ahead and make sure that's current. I'll go ahead and close this up for right now, and then I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to go to Open, and I'm going to go grab that example that I made. So I'm just going to open this, right? And it opens, but the image is, the line work is outside of the artboard, and so if I zoom out, whew, it's very tired. Right, here's all my art. My board is out here, and so what you can do is I'm just windowing across it. It's kind of hard to see because of the gray background, but you can window across it wherever it is and just copy it to your clipboard, right? And then I'm going to go back to the template, and I'm going to paste it, right? So let's go to Edit, Paste. And it takes a minute. There's a lot of line work, and it kind of gets close to where it wants to be, but you still have to move it. So let's go ahead and there it is. And I'm going to go to, boy, it is really slow. It's a lot of line work, but you go ahead and maybe zoom in a little bit right here, and then I'll go to the direct selection tool, which allows me to select the individual pieces, and I can pick this anchor. So I'm left clicking on this anchor, and I'm just dragging it up to the corner of this and kind of holding it until that guy moves. Then I can let go and it'll kind of catch up. It's taking a minute, right? But be patient, and it'll sort of catch up, right, and place everything pretty close. If you want to get closer, you know, whoops, you can sort of come in a little closer, and depending on how picky you are, right, you can move it in to the edge, and it'll get there eventually, right? So there it goes. So so there it is. So it's pasted in. And then the next thing we're going to do is start working with the line work.